guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this bracelet holder. It's also good for necklaces if you have a longer key thing. Instead of using a toilet paper roll, you can use another paper towel roll, which is taller, so you can hold your necklaces. But I just had a lot of bracelets, so it will work for any of them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get on with it. So what you'll need is a paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, which is shorter, something circular for your base. I will be using the top or bottom of it. You'll be needing scissors. I'm using these. You'll need a X-Acto knife. You'll need a Sharpie, some paper, sorry, excuse my light, and I recommend using paint or tape, not paper. And lastly, you will need some hot glue. So let's get started.
So I forgot to mention that you also needed something heavy for your base so it doesn't fall over. I'm using a rock. And for decorations, you're going to need some styrofoam beads. And lastly, you're going to need decorative tape. Please excuse my really weird voice. I'm currently having a nosebleed and it's completely normal, but I won't delay you further from your DIY. So, on with the video.
So as always, remember to protect where you're working. So I'm going to be using this clear plastic that I use for painting and all these crafts. And take your paper towel roll, and this is what I'm going to be doing, although I recommend using paint or tape, not paper, because it'll look much cleaner. But I'll just get my hot glue, and there you go. Now you're going to need to take your hot glue and glue along the, oops, forgot my hot glue stick, ran out. So you're just going to glue right along the paper towel roll, and I'm just going to speed this up. So once you are done, just place it right on the paper and just hold it there for a few seconds. And you can just use your thumbs to press it in to make sure it's stuck on the... I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, anyways. So you're just going to glue along the side of the paper towel roll and make sure that you occasionally add a long line of glue to make sure the paper is stuck on the paper towel roll and then stop moving around. So you just do that. And don't forget to glue the other side as well. And carefully roll it to make sure you don't accidentally move it at all. And yeah, that's practically it. Just keep repeating the same thing until you finally reach the end of your paper towel roll. And after that, you're going to need to take your X-Acto knife and cut off the excess paper, and you're just going to take it off. And if you see this tiny flap, hold on, if you turn the paper towel roll, you will see like an excess flap that's just hanging there. Make sure you take your hot glue and just do a very thin line, making sure that you don't have any hot glue leaking out, and just carefully do that, and make sure you press it down, but don't burn your fingers like I almost did. So if you see these sides, you're just going to need to take your scissors and start cutting around. And you're gonna just have a very smooth corner, and you're just gonna do the other side as well. So do the same thing with your paper towel roll, and it should look something like this. You can either cut on both sides like a U shape, so it fits like the paper towel roll fits right on top of your toilet paper roll, or you're going to need to use a Sharpie to mark around your paper towel roll so your toilet paper roll fits inside. So take your Sharpie and put where roughly around you want it to be, and then just mark around your toilet paper roll. I can't talk today, it's like so bad. Then you're going to take your X-Acto knife and you're just going to stab it in and just cut out the rough circle, and make sure you don't hurt yourself if you are a young child. Please ask your parents if you do need help. And yeah. So after that, you're going to take your paper towel roll and stuff it in, and make sure the paper line is facing the back, and you're just going to hot glue everything together so it makes a T shape. And I burnt myself with my hot glue again. So just keep hot gluing. And you're done. So I realized I need to use those later, and now you're just going to take the base and add some paper. And it should look like this. Well, close to it. So now you attach your T shape to the base just to hold it down. And you're just going to make a rough estimate around the center and just apply a little bit of pressure so it sticks on, and just hold it there. So it should look something like that. And I just realized I had a lot of things. You'll need to take your file folder thing and make it into a circle so it can fit inside of the T shape. Hold on, I just need to make it a little tighter so it doesn't fall. And you're just gonna stick it inside, and it should look something like that. And then you're going to take your scissors and cut the file folder thing till it fits sort of inside the T shape. And you're just going, after you're done, you're gonna just try to stuff it back in and curve the edges so it's a little smooth. And now you have to do the other side. So once you're done, you're going to need to cover the edge with paper so it's a little smoother. So just take your hot glue and glue the toilet paper roll as well as the file folder, making sure to cover all the sides. Then you're going to place it on the paper and just hold it for a little bit. So once you're done with both sides, it should look something like this. And let me just adjust the camera. Okay, so now it looks something like this. You can start to decorate with decorative tapes. I realized later that there is like a paper line on there, so I didn't know how to cover it, so I just took some decorative washi tapes and just stuck it on. So yeah. So when you're done decorating with your tape, you're gonna need to take the rock or anything that's really heavy and just hot glue it to the bottom of your base so it doesn't fall over if you add bracelets on there. And just make sure you hot glue each side and just hold it there. And it should probably stick. Mine didn't, so I had to hot glue around like 3 times before it stuck. And then you can decorate, I'm using styrofoam beads. Just take your hot glue and glue whatever you want and just sprinkle a few styrofoam beads on there. It should stick, but if it doesn't, you can put your styrofoam beads in a bag, hot glue, and then just stick wherever you want it. You want the styrofoam beads to be inside the bag and just try to cover it. And it should work because this method burnt my fingers a lot of times because I don't have, what do you call those again? Tweezers. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just added a few foam beads at the bottom and some on the sides. I don't think this looks very neat at all. I probably would have done this with paint if I had known it would turn out like this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for future videos or some feedback, please do so in the comments down below. And please like this video if you really like these DIYs. And if you are new, please subscribe down below. Just click that red subscribe button. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!